Hello, this is the breadboard version of my ACES nightlight circuit. The purpose of this circuit is to be influenced by the amount of light. When there is less light, the LED will glow bright. When there is light, the LED will turn off or appear very dim. This is achieved in the circuit by using a light-dependent resistor, a potentiometer, and a transistor. The intensity at which the LED glows can be adjusted using the dial and the potentiometer. There are 9 types of components in this circuit, and they are as follows: one 10K ohm potentiometer, two 5mm LEDs, one BJT NPN 3904 transistor, one 22K ohm quarter width resistor, one 470 ohm quarter width resistor, one light dependent resistor, 2 wires, one DC barrel jack, and one 9-volt battery. Most of these components are very simple, other than the 10K ohm potentiometer, the BJT NPN 2N3904 transistor, and the light dependent resistor. Potentiometers are variable voltage dividers with a shaft or slide control for setting the division ratio. The potentiometer used in this circuit is a dial with an adjustable resistance of 0 to 10K ohms. Potentiometers work as voltage dividers by using a wiper to divide the voltage. A voltage divider is a concept that involves using separating voltage in multiple root/directions. The second complex component is the BJT NPN 29304. Transistors have multiple uses, but in our circuit, we're using it as a switch, essentially. In our circuit, the transistor is open when we send a small amount of voltage to it through the 22K ohm resistor and the potentiometer. When it receives this, it is opened like a switch. Tying into the next complex component is a scenario where the transistor does not receive this voltage. It does not receive this voltage when the path of least resistance becomes the path of the LDR, or light-dependent resistor. This happens when you have a lot of light, and the LDR, which is dependent on the amount of light resistance, is at its least. It's at its least when we have a lot of light hitting it.